Welcome back for another Vechain price prediction analysis, and at the time of this recording, Vechain continues to hold above the 20-day MA here on the 4-hour chart, which is now acting as support for us to continue gearing up. We have also continued to obey the Elliot structures, and zooming out on the charts, you can see that Vechain gave us a bear market low at around the $0.013 mark. And after seeing the bear market low, we saw a very nice bounce to the upside where we picked in a 5-wave structure, completing the formation of these larger Elliott wave count 1. And after seeing the formation of that first wave, we started a corrective structure in the formation of a larger Elliott wave count 2, where we had been seeing a bit of a breakdown move in this ABC corrective structure into the minimum target area for the second wave, highlighted on the charts using this blue target area. And since we have fully maximized that target area, there are high chances that we now have a low in place for the second wave, and that's the reason as to why we saw this reaction to the upper side in what could be the start of an impulse in the formation of this wave 3. And because of the impulsiveness in the formation of that wave 3, I'm also expecting Vechain to also give us a 5-wave structure to the upside, having the wave 5 completing the formation of this wave 3 to the upper side. And zooming in here on the charts, you can now see that Vechain has now given us a high in the formation of this wave 1, and whatever we are seeing at the time of this recording is a breakdown move in the formation of this wave 2. And using the Fibonacci's, connecting them from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, I get a minimum target area for the second wave between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.618, and that is the area between the $0.01653 mark and the $0.01607 mark, which is an area that we have not yet fully maximized, though we have seen some lows and some wicks into that target area. And there are chances that we could have a low in place for the second wave, and maybe in the next coming days or maybe hours we can see a reaction of that, get above resistance at around the $0.01798 mark, and continue gearing up in what could be the start of an impulse in the formation of this wave 3 to the upper side. So that is what I'm keeping my eyes on the short term. And in case further breakdown continues, because that is still a possibility here on the charts, then I will be watching the fib level 0.78 in case we lose the fib level 0.618 as the next target area. And we need to continue holding above the fib level 0.78 for us to still consider this as a breakdown move in the formation of this wave 2 and expect another bounce in the formation of that wave 3. And jumping to the daily chart to now give you my long-term Elliott wave analysis and also what I'm expecting in the next bull market here on the Vechain chart. You can see that Vechain back in 2020 gave us those lows down there before we saw the all-time high in a move that completed the formation of this wave 1, giving us a high above the $0.28 mark before we started a corrective structure in the formation of this wave 2, and there are high chances that we now have a low in place for the second wave. And in the next coming months, we can continue gearing up once the bull market starts and get that impulsive move in the formation of that wave 3, then expect a wave 4 and then a wave 5 to the upper side. And these are moves that I'm expecting to give us new all-time highs here on the Vechain chart. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I will be keeping you up to date.